Good morning. Today we're on our way to Wadebridge because we're going to cycle up to Delphi and we're going to get a selfie at Delphi and maybe have a little paddle, and then we're going to go to Snail's place for cake. Cake! Cake!
Cake for dinner!
Cake for lunch! I left my sunglasses in the bush. Whew. Our trip to Delphi was slightly had an issue. Unfortunately, my friend's brakes failed when we went down the first hill, so we decided to just go down the trail and go to Snail's Pace Cafe for cake instead. So we just continued down the trail, and I tried to use different filming options to just try and get a different idea and different aspect of the trail. And then we saw this pony, which was adorable. But I just wanted to see if I could try like filming in different ways, like as in having it on my chesty, having it mounted on the back of Lee's bike, on the front of Lee's bike, just like to get all different angles, just so people could, you know, just get more of an idea of our vibes. And let me know what you think about these different angles and whether they work or not. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
With this feeling I can leave. I'm walking and I'm dreaming. Will you dare to give it all up and walk by my side? Do you see the road? Do you hear it's cold? Do you want a bite of it? Just getting me above now. Just getting me above now.
A cycle in the summer wouldn't be complete without a little paddle in some kind of water. So this is I think it's the River Camel, which goes all the way along the side of the Camel Trail. And it's just really freezing cold it was because of, I'm guessing it must come from moors or something maybe. Like, because of, it all goes all the way up. But it's really cold water. But it was nice to go in there.
See the sun goes down, driving lights in hearts, counting trees around. This is our day to dream. My heart it's cursed with you. My heart is cursed with you.
We arrived at the Snail's Pace Cafe around lunchtime, so we decided to have lunch rather than just a bit of cake. And it took me a while to decide where to put my bike, and then we just had to read a message that I'd received. So I decided to have hummus and sun-dried tomato sandwich, which was really nice, and some elderflower and some water just because I was a bit thirsty. Then we got back on our bikes and went down the trail.
Do you see the road? Just get me.
On the way back, I decided to cycle up a hill called West Hill, which is quite steep, and I was quite proud because I made it all the way up without having to stop, so I was quite proud of that. I hope you've enjoyed our adventure today. There's not much else after this that I've filmed just because the GoPro ran out of battery, so I hope you've enjoyed this, and if you enjoy this type of filming, let me know. Otherwise, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe and share it with your friends. So thank you for watching.